This is me all spruced up. As you see, there's nothing on my stomach. Yeah, look at me closely. Let's see if you like me, because then you have to leave a comment. You don't have to leave a comment, just if you want to do it, do it. Look at my tail. It's all pink. It's all pink. So yes, I am the new Pinky. Well, thanks. Thanks if you left a comment. Well, credit all to LPS Hearts 1, which is me. Well, do not watch LPS Vid 6 videos. Well, you can watch it, because I have multiple channels. LPS Vid 6 and this one, which is LPS Hearts. Okay, so you have a nice day commenting on this video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, take my channel, and make us a YouTube partner. Thank you.